Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you today how to easily and quickly improvise over the standard jazz song All of Me. No matter if you don't know any music theory or nothing about this, don't worry, this video is for you. Let's go into start. First thing that we should check is the key of our song. If we are going to use the standard real book chart version, okay, this is in C. So next thing is to have a backing track in C major too. So I'm going to leave the link on the description of the backing track that I'm going to use, so you can use the same. Okay, first, how I'm going to find the pentatonic. Okay, let's go into do it simple. Very simple, okay? First thing, I know I'm in C major, okay? So where I need to find a C major on the 6th string of my guitar, and it's going to be here, 8th fret. And what I'm going to do first is count 5 frets up on the neck, okay? That like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is going to be the root of the pentatonic that I'm going to use. This is the first choice that I'm going to use, okay? Everyone can say, okay, why don't you use the A minor pentatonic? This is the relative of C major. No, believe me, this works better, okay? First choice, E minor. It's going to give you another note that the A minor pentatonic doesn't give you, okay? So, and I'm going to use 2 different shapes. The most important to me, the most important is the shape that has the root on the 6th, and the shape that has the root on the 5th string. The 5th string, I'm going to find an E note here on the 8th fret, and the shape is this. I'm going to leave a PDF with all pentatonic shapes on the description that you can download if you need to know the pentatonic scales. And this is the only 2 shapes that I'm going to use. Why? Because I'm going to use a couple of different pentatonics roots. I'm going to use not only E minor, okay? My second option, okay, is what I'm going to do now is I'm going to count 4 frets down on the neck. So C here, 8th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to find now, yes, the A minor, the A note, which is going to give me the A minor, the root for the A minor pentatonic blues scale. And I'm going to use the same shapes that I use on E minor, but transposed now to these roots. A minor, and the other one is going to be here because I have what I have here. I need to find an A now on the 5th string. It's going to be here on the 12th fret, and I'm going to use, of course, you can start notice that this A minor shape pentatonic is over, and it's in the same place that I had the E minor pentatonic blues scale. So it's starting to mix it up. And the last one, the last option that I'm going to use is count 3 from the root up on the neck, 3 frets, 1, 2, 3. So from C, I'm counting C like as 1, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to find that this note, of course, is a D note, and I'm going to use too the pentatonic blues minor pentatonic of D. Of course, same shapes, okay? So my first shape is going to be here on the 10th fret, and the second one on the 5th fret, 5th string. And as you can notice, this shape is over on the same place that the A minor shape pentatonic, okay? I'm going to call it this number 1, and the second shape number 4, because this is the order that you're going to find if you study all the pentatonic shapes through the neck. But with these two, it's going to work, okay? Because as you can see, you can tell, okay, there's a lot of information here to play, okay? There's a lot of notes. And I don't need to use any jazz phrases, any jazz licks or something. Maybe if you're a blues or rock guitar player, you already know that shapes. So just play with the same vocabulary that you already have, or you already knew about the pentatonic. So what I'm going to do now is play to show you how it sounds and how can you do it, okay? I'm going to make it in order. I'm going to start with the E minor pentatonic, then I'm going to play A minor pentatonic, and then I'm going to play D minor blues pentatonic. All pentatonic has the blue note. I don't like to play without the blue note. It's more tasteful to play, and the flavor that adds the blue note it's, to me, I guess is the key. Okay, so I'm going to play, and while I'm playing, I'm going to show you on the screen what I'm using, and at the end, I'm going to blend it all together, okay? And this is the hard work, because you have to learn where are exactly all these shapes, and this is the only thing that is going to take you some time, but believe me, it's going to work, okay? And you're going to do it very, very fast. So if you enjoyed the video, thanks, subscribe, and leave your comments on the box down below, and anything that you need. I'm we are here to help, because maybe you can help me too. Okay, thanks so much. See you in the next video.